Hi. In the past 2 months, auto sales got hit badly. The rising trend that we have been seeing in the auto sales volume was put to a break. But now that the lockdown restrictions are getting easier, along with the decline in the COVID cases we are seeing across India, people are again getting optimistic about the increase in the auto sales volume going ahead. On this, today on ET Now, we call two industry experts to know and explore more about the situation at the ground level. Neeraj Thakkar of Bajaj, Autoden and Chinmay Bafna of Anzen Automotive joined us today for an exclusive conversation on the outlook for the auto industry, and I'm here to share some highlights of the same. Commenting on the current situation, Neeraj told us that the inquiries have come down drastically, and not only this, the demand has taken a bad hit. Going forward, he commented that the premiumization trend that we have been seeing in the industry is likely to continue, and in this also, the bike segment is expected to outperform the other segments. On the other hand, Chinmay still holds a positive and the constructive view for the industry. He feels that just like last year, in this second COVID wave that we are seeing, people are forced to buy automotives, and this is just purely to avoid the public transportation system. Not only this, the industry is currently also witnessing the replacement demand, and he feels that both of these factors will help the demand for two segments specifically. First is the two-wheeler segment, and second, in the car segment, he feels that the affordable car segment can perform really well. Commenting the situation in Mumbai, he feels that the volumes are expected to bounce back this time in a much stronger way. On the commodity inflation front, he feels that the commodity cycle has already started to make a U-turn. He gave an example of how the steel prices are down around 15% from their all-time high levels, and going ahead, this may not only help the manufacturers to aid and help in their margins, but also this might get them into a position to offer some discount for the customers, which can also help the demand and more sales volume to kick in. The next 6 to 9 months could be very good for the auto industry, Neeraj says, and he's also expecting the lower price segment to perform really well. Commenting on the export, he says that the export markets is expected to continue to perform really well, and likes like Bajaj Auto is expected to still and continue outperform its peers. So these were the highlights of the conversation today. So this conversation concluded with a positive comment on the auto industry revival amidst the economy opening up now.